Hey guys, welcome to my video. See the situation. This is just outside my home on my walkway. It's getting bad here. Like we had back-to-back snowstorm and still it is incessant. It hasn't stopped yet and I don't know what am I gonna do. I just cleaned it, you can see, and then again snowfall started, and this time it is severe, very heavy. It's falling so badly. I really don't know how I'm gonna manage it alone. Now I'm seriously thinking that I should buy a snow blower. I don't think I'll be able to manage without a snow blower. Oh my god. I even ordered snowfall today because I saw it was available at one store, but then an order was cancelled because the moment my shopper went, it became out of stock. I'm like very much worried now. How will I clean all the snow? You see how badly it's falling here. If you see the flow, see continuously it is falling. But anyway, we have to manage. So when you live in Canada, be ready for situations like this. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.